Welcome to all my extraordinary learners. Today I am here to discuss a very important topic is the matter around us pure. And learning outcomes for today, difference between mixture and compound. And thought of the day, no pressure, no diamond. Yes, compound and mixture, these are two different type of substances. We know compound is a pure substance and mixture is a impure substance. Yes, there are different characteristics which differentiate them from each other. And today we will discuss a wonderful activity about the different traits, different factors they are having, right? So let us prove these factors. What are these? Compound are homogeneous, mixture are heterogeneous. They retain the properties of the component. Component retains properties there, right? And they show the physical change. But here, compound is component does not have its characteristic properties in the compound, and it is formed by chemical change. एक नया product बनता है इसमें. Their product is not made new one. It remains same as it is. Right? Here, the mixtures, they are having no formula, but its compound is having a formula. Okay, and they are separated by the physical method. Mixture को हम physical method से separate कर सकते हैं, but we cannot separate the compound by simple physical method. We need chemical methods, higher level, right? So today I will show you an activity, as I told, where the activity is of iron and sulfur. Iron and sulfur activity is there. I will prepare mixture and compound with it. Then we will see the characteristics. Are this real or it is an hypothesis? So let us do the activity. Be energetic. Yes friends, now I am here. Now we will perform the activity. Yes, this is our sulfur powder in it. I have already taken out sulfur powder, right? This is sulfur powder, and in this I have taken already iron filling, which are crushed one. It is in the form of powder, right? This is our iron powder. Now what I will do, these are two china dishes, these are empty, totally empty, right? I will prepare, what I will do first, mixture. I will mix iron filling powder, right, with the, yes, into, I am putting separately. I will take out iron filling. Yes, right? And from here I will collect, I will take out sulfur powder. Yes, very interesting experiment you will see. Then I will mix. Okay, I will mix up. So this is formation of, this is mixing process is going on very nicely, gently I will mix it, right? This is your compound, this is your substance A. Yes, this also I will mix. Yes, I am mixing with the help of spatula, right? This is a spoon of the chemistry lab for mixing. Yes, yes, both I have mixed in same way. Now, what is the next step? This is the compound A, right? Substance A, substance B. Now, what I will do? It is as it is A. Here I will heat up this. Next, this will I will heat this one. Right? This is your tripod stand, wire gauge, Bunsen burner. Now I will burn it. Yes, it's on. right? And I will heat this compound, this mixture here, and it remain without mixing. Yes, students, it's going on heating. See, there is a chemical change, that heat converting the mixture into a new substance. There is formation of a new substance. It is a chemical change, right? Now it's turning into black color now. It is black color now, right? So okay, it is now converted. It is heat up. Now I will stop heating. I will take it out. Let us इसको हम ठंडा होने देंगे, फिर देखेंगे what is the next. Now you can check the difference between two compound. This substance A, simple mixing, right? What I have done, simple mixing, sulfur and iron. Here I have heat up. इसको heat किया गया after the mixing, right? Now see the difference is there. Okay, now we will move next. Up according to the process, this is a mixture, right? And it is get converted into a compound. ये compound में change हो गया, but it is as a mixture. Now we will see. It is not homogeneous. It is heterogeneous. ये heterogeneous है because the composition is not constant of sulfur and iron. Now you will see. You see it. This particular compound, which is iron sulfide. It is iron sulfide. It's having same color, right? Same texture is same, and it is homogeneous. It is homogeneous. All right. So first property group. So it is going towards compound. It is going for mixture, right? Next I will see that what are the. This is the magnet. I will try to separate it out. Generally, you know, magnet attract iron objects toward itself. I will use this magnet here, right? See, what will happen? Yeah, this is magic. The iron filling, iron powder which was present in your mixture, it get attracted and attached to the magnet, right? It get attached to the magnet. Okay, it means that your iron filling, which is a component of the mixture, it is showing its characteristic. यहाँ अपनी properties को retain कर रहा है. This is retaining its properties in mixture. All right. Now I will finish. Next, I will check for the iron sulfide, which I got after heating. Compound B is the same characteristic, same as shown by it. You see here. Is there any change? So there is no attraction, right? You will see. There is not same attraction as here. If I will take it nearby to this, you will see the difference. Most of the iron, it comes here. Iron जो है इसके साथ attach हो जाता है, but here in this case there is no attaching this iron because अब वो जो iron यहाँ पर है वो totally convert हो गया है दूसरे compound में, right? So in that another compound. So it means in compound component did not retain its property. This we can show by another activity here. Okay, what is that? Now I will share this. This is your carbon disulfide, right? Chemical. I will take help of this. Now, if I will generally dissolve sulfur. सल्फर को अगर मैं इसमें डिजॉल्व करता हूं तो वो डिजॉल्व हो जाता है, राइट? ये प्रॉपर्टी है सल्फर की. सल्फर डिजॉल्व हो गया. ओके, सल्फर गेट डिजॉल्व, इज विजिबल. All right. Now, what I will do, I will same characteristic. I will dissolve now the compound A where I have mixed only, right? Then I will dissolve. So you will see what is there. इसमें जो सल्फर था हमारे पास येलो कलर, दैट टोटली गेट मिक्स्ड, राइट? वो इसमें मिक्स हो गया है. उसको अगर मैं फिल्टर करूंगा, ठीक है, बाय फिल्ट्रेशन, इफ आई विल डू द फिल्ट्रेशन हियर, राइट, I will do the filtration, that yellow color substance, it gets separated out. Yellow color substance gets separated out and iron filling remain there. It left, they remain in test tube. Because of more gravity, they are not coming out. Otherwise, they will be in the filtrate, right? So, yellow color substance, you can see here, this yellow color substance is present. इसको हम evaporation से separate करेंगे. We can separate it from sulfur from the evaporation. So it means sulfur showing its properties. Sulfur showing its properties, right? When it is alone, जैसे था वो अकेला separate pure form में वो dissolve हो रहा था, यहाँ पर भी dissolve हो गया in the mixture, right? Again prove that in a mixture component retain the properties, right? But let us see, is the same thing happening here? क्या हमारा जो कंपाउंड, जिसे हम कंपाउंड कह रहे हैं कि इट इज ए कंपाउंड, क्या ये भी डिसॉल्व हो जाएगा? व्हाट इज द इफेक्ट, राइट? देयर इज नो डिसोल्यूशन. यहां पर वो डिसॉल्व नहीं हो रहा है. आपका फेरस सल्फाइड, आयरन सल्फाइड जो हमारे पास बन रहा है वो डिसॉल्व नहीं हो रहा है, ठीक है? देयर इज नो डिसोल्यूशन. There is no any yellow color substance formed here. Okay, you can see it. Sorry. So dear students, what is their inference that carbon ferrous sulfide, iron sulfide did not dissolve in the carbon disulfide. Right? So means here the component are not retaining the properties, right? Its properties are totally changed. It is not attracted by the magnet, neither the carbon disulfide able to dissolve ferrous sulfide, this iron sulfide. Okay. Another one activity we can do here, last one. I am having hydrogen dilute sulfuric acid, right? Now let us check the effect of sulfuric acid on the mixture compound A. क्या इफेक्ट होगा? See here. Yes friends, I have added dilute sulfuric acid into this mixture, small sample of mixture. Now see, gas is evolving out. This is hydrogen gas. Which gas? Hydrogen gas is coming out. Okay, and this hydrogen gas, you know, it gives pop sound when you take a burning matchstick here. Okay, so this hydrogen gas is coming out. It is having no any smell, colorless and odorless. Okay, and I can see now what is the effect of this iron. आयरन सल्फाइड के ऊपर क्या इफेक्ट होगा किसका? डाइल्यूट सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड का. देखिए अब चेंज आपके सामने है. यहां पर भी गैस निकल रही है, दैट इज नो, इट इज स्मेलिंग जस्ट लाइक ए रॉटन एग. इट्स रॉटन एग लाइक स्मेल. ओह माय गॉड, राइट? बट हियर इट्स नॉट गिविंग एनी स्मेल. right? So this is rotten egg like smell means now the reactions are of different type, right? So there are different changes are there. So means this is totally different compound. See, both gases are there, here hydrogen, here rotten egg smell of H2S, hydrogen sulfide. So this prove all that mixture having different characteristics and your compound having different characteristics. So let us move towards our theory lab. Yes friends, how was the activity? Awesome! Yes, it was wonderful. So what is proved now? That mixture is heterogeneous, right? This was your mixture, right? And this was your compound, right? What is there now? Mixture is heterogeneous, composition is not uniform, and compound is homogeneous. Black color texture was there. And we have seen mixtures component retain your properties. Sulfur dissolve हो गया as carbon disulfide में, right? And iron was get attracted by the magnet. And but compound component did not retain its properties, right? Separated by the physical method, separate हो गया था वो, right? But here there is no separation by physical method. There is no formula of the mixture. Mixture having no formula. I will simply write mixture of iron, helium and sulfur. No formula. But we know formula is there for the compound. The iron sulfide is there. Other examples are water, carbon dioxide, iron sulfide, right? And other example of mixture, air, sand in water, right? And but we have done mixture of iron and sulfur powder. And these are the reactions which undergo here in between during the activity. Iron sulfide, HCl reacted giving iron chloride and this rotten egg like smell, this gas hydrogen sulfide, right? And when we reacted this compound iron sulfide with carbon disulfide liquid, right, no reaction takes place. And this mixture when dissolved in carbon disulfide, we got a solution where sulfur was there. And when HCl, we have reacted with HCl, we got this reaction. So it is the difference between these two. I think the activity given you clear-cut concept about these two. Yes, last but not least is thought. No pressure, no diamond. You know, coal, when it gets high pressure, right, it gets converted into the very precious thing known as diamond. So it requires high pressure. So dear student, if you have to become diamond, you have to polish yourself, your skills, and you have to think extraordinary. Think higher, then your action will be higher. And you will create opportunity and never fear about the adversity. Right? So thinking style different, you will get converted into the another different state of mind and your intelligence will increase day by day. So with this, I will take leave. Thank you very much. Wish you all the very best.